Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a developer on Galileo's curriculum and instruction team. I work year-round to create engaging STEAM projects to inspire your camper all summer long. Each day, your camper will have 3 rotations, each specially designed to foster innovation and creativity. Here's a sneak peek of some of the exciting things your camper will be doing this week in each one. In Innovator Studio, campers build creative confidence, turning their ideas into polished take-home projects. This week, Supernovas become mechanical scene makers. Your camper will engineer a hand-cranked automata, building a driveshaft and cam system that converts circular motion into linear motion. Characters rise and fall with every turn of the crank, bringing a scene only they could dream up to life. Throughout the week, they'll practice being determined by fine-tuning every element until the whole scene performs. In Idea Lab, campers work collaboratively on daily design challenges. This week, your camper and their class build a shared arch installation, connecting straw-tetrahedrons into a structure tall enough to walk through, then covering it with colorful paper panels. They'll practice being collaborative by reading what the arch needs and building on what's already there when it's their turn to add. And in Outdoor Adventure, campers play exciting games, take on team-building challenges, and engage in traditional camp fun. This week, they'll play games like Castle Ball, storming the other team's hula hoop castle with volleys of foam balls while defending their own. They'll practice being reflective by regrouping between rounds to devise a better defense and strategize to topple the opponent's castle faster. We can't wait for your camper to experience these activities along with the rest of the awesome projects this week. And remember, at Camp Galileo, kids bring home much more than just their projects. They bring home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they'll need to thrive.